Hey guys, we have -6 minus a -4. This is a problem that I currently teach 7th grade math, and problems like these can often confuse students, which there's no shame in that. We just need to talk about it, right? So when I have -6 minus a -4, when I add and subtract integers, there's a strategy I like to use that I'm going to use. If you like this strategy and you want to learn more about it, I will have a video in the corner for you. But when I'm solving something like this, the first question I ask myself is, do I have any signs right next to each other? Now, what I mean by that is like this right here. I'm subtracting a negative. I have two negatives right next to each other. I want to make that just one sign. For my brain, it makes it a lot less confusing. So when I take away a negative, that is actually going to be positive. So I can rewrite this as -6 plus 4. Now, if you're like, that's insane, there's no way that can be true. I want you to think for a second. A lot of times when I'm teaching my students, I say, what if you got grounded, right? That's something negative in your life. But then what if your parent came to you and they said, hey, you've been behaving. I'm going to take away that you're grounded. I'm going to take away that negative. Hey, that's pretty positive, right? So that's why taking away a negative is actually positive. Okay. Now from here, what I like to do is figure out how many negatives I have. So I have 6 negatives, right? And I have 4 positives. Then I go ahead and actually draw this out. So I have 6 negatives and 4 positives. Well, now guess what? A plus and a minus, or a positive and a negative, cancel each other out. If I have 1 and I take away 1, that's 0. So these cancel, these, and these. And what I'm left with is my answer. So I'm left with 2 negatives, or -2. And that is my answer. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks.